Hi, my name is Raúl Melo. I was born in Bogota, but I was trained in Santa Marta City. I consider myself a rare person, but I get to always exceed my expectations. Okay? Cañon of the Tolima Lagoon. The Cañon of the Lagunilla, I was creation of nature, but it is something happened and was where avalanche and meadow disappeared. But it's an incredible place, full of flora and fauna. Recommendations. It must be well hydrated for the journey. 2 recommendations. I should hit login reading. In tours will match the angels on conservations. Thank you.